Alfredo Benjamin Sabater Caguioa, born September 30th, 1959, is a Filipino lawyer who has served as an Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines since 2016, before his appointment as Associate Justice. He served as the Acting Secretary of Justice from 2015 to 2016 and Chief Presidential Legal Counsel under President Benigno Aquino III from 2013 to 2015. Caguioa was born on September 30th, 1959. He is a son of Court of Appeals Justice Eduardo P. Caguioa, having studied at the Ateneo de Manila University for his basic education. He finished elementary in 1973, then high school in 1977. He obtained his economics degree from the same institution in 1981 and obtained a Bachelor of Laws from Ateneo de Manila Law School in 1985, where he ranked 5th in his class. On the same year, he ranked 15th on the bar exam and was admitted to the Philippine bar the following year. Caguioa joined Sisip Salazar Hernandez and Gat Mayton in 1986 and was a partner there from 1994 until February 2007, together with 5 other lawyers from his previous firm. They founded the Caguioa and Gat Mayton and Associates in February 2007. He was a professor at the Ateneo de Manila Law School and San Sebastian College of Law. He became a professor of civil law at the University of Santo Tomas in 2015. Caguioa was cited as a leading Philippine lawyer in dispute resolution by chambers and partners in its 2010 and 2011 Asia-Pacific publications. On January 10, 2013, he was appointed as Chief Presidential Legal Counsel of President Benigno Aquino III, his classmate since grade school. He was part of the official delegation of the country to the Permanent Court of Arbitration for the South China Sea Arbitration. After the resignation of then-Secretary Lila de Lima in October 2015, he was appointed as Acting Secretary of the Department of Justice. He was appointed as the 174th Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the Philippines, replacing the retired Associate Justice Martin Villarama Jr. In July 2019, Caguioa wrote the Supreme Court's decision reversing the June 2016 conviction of Army Narvaez on illegal drug charges, which cited the prosecution's failure to prove his guilt beyond a reasonable doubt before a regional trial court, RTC, in relation to a buy-bust operation within a subdivision in Santa Barbara, Pangasinan in March 2011, where no witnesses were present for Narvaez's warrantless arrest. In the decision, Caguioa stated that by thrashing basic constitutional rights as a means to curtail the proliferation of illegal drugs, instead of protecting the general welfare, oppositely, the general welfare is viciously assaulted. A battle waged against illegal drugs that tramples on the rights of the people is not a war on drugs. It is a war against the people. Upon Chief Justice Diosdado Peralta's early retirement in March 2021, Caguioa did not apply for the post of Chief Justice, with President Duterte appointing Alexander Mundo to the position. Duterte was noted to have bypassed more senior associate justices, including Caguioa, in spite of his stated position of respecting seniority. In 2016, President Benigno Aquino III awarded Caguioa the rank of Grand Cross or Bayani of the Order of Lacandula for his outstanding service. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.